So this is surprising. Campfire Cooking in Another World has officially got on a season 2. Yep, it's got on a season 2. This was announced about an hour ago, I think. Yep. Yeah, season 2 has been announced. This is pretty crazy. I'm shocked because I didn't think this was that popular to get a season 2, but it has. And yeah, so yeah, there you go. Season 2 has been announced. No release date yet, but I'm sure we'll get that soon. So yeah, what are your thoughts on this getting a season 2? Did you watch the first season? I'm just curious. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. Crazy.